Now to make the model predictable, there are different knobs available through model_setting. So this model_setting gives you different tuning parameters or different tuning knobs to set the model behavior. Now here we are going to use two such knobs. One is temperature and another one is max token. So here we are setting temperature as 0.2, which is more deterministic, and max token as 200 to keep the answers short. So again, this is our same hello agent where we are saying be concise and friendly. And then the question is, tell me about AI agent in one short paragraph with these model setting parameters. And now let us see the response. So here is the response of our agent. Now, there are different knobs also available as part of model setting. So this piece of code tells you about all possible knobs which you can tune as part of model setting to optimize your agent behavior.
This video is part of my course Mastering AI Agent using OpenAI Agent SDK, the course which I have published on Udemy. The link of that course is available in the description. So if you are interested, please follow the link and get your certification done.